Hey guys, this is Scott here and doing a review on the Tesmanian rear Model Y spoiler. This is a new item that they rolled out for their Model Y. The reviews online here for only the Model 3, so couldn't find a review, so I decided to do one and check it out. So this is my 2021 Model Y in red. Here's the stock rear end. This is the box that it came in. I decided to go with the Tesmanian spoiler instead of the RPM one because the RPM one was in back order. It's been about a month and a half since my order with RPM, but I still haven't received it yet. This actually came in a lot faster. I decided to go with the matte finish spoiler here, which is made from plastic. Overall, it looks pretty clean except for one spot here where it is a little bit scratched. The first thing I did was took a towel and wiped down the rear end. I wanted to remove all dust from the car. Next, I put a 8.5 inch piece of blue tape in the back and put markings, one at 6.5, 6, and then 5.5. I went ahead and did a dry placement of the spoiler just to kind of see where it lined up, and it looks like it lines up right around the 6 3/4 of an inch. Again, this is measured from the end of the panel, so I remarked it so I know where I want the spoiler to start and end. To make it easier to apply, I went ahead and folded back the tape to where my line was marked. The Adhesion Promoter is really a thin primer that goes right on the paint so that the spoiler can stick on better. You want to make sure you're using gloves for this part. One thing I noticed is that the adhesive that's being used is not 3M. I wasn't able to hold the camera and apply the spoiler on at the same time, but here's the final result. It took a couple of tries, but the best way to apply the spoiler is to put your fingertips at the end and find where the tape is. I'm very happy with the way it fits on the Tesla. It almost looks like it's an OEM part. The lines here are very clean and smooth. The tape that comes with the spoiler does a pretty good job of holding it tight. The only tools you need for the job is maybe some gloves, a measuring tape, blue painter's tape, and a pen. The final result is fantastic, and I'd recommend this $150 spoiler to anyone that's looking for a sportier look.